How to get a Twilio phone number. So Twilio lets you buy virtual phone numbers that can send and receive calls or texts, perfect for business verification, customer communication, or app integrations. You can choose from local, mobile, toll-free, or short-code numbers depending on your needs. Each number type supports different capabilities like SMS, MMS, voice, so make sure that you pick the one that matches for your use case. Pricing also varies by country and phone type, but Twilio charges on a pay-as-you-go basis, meaning you only pay for what you use. Once you purchase it, the number will appear in your Twilio console, where you can configure features like call forwarding, automated messages, or connect it to your app using the Twilio API. You can buy it on the website right here under this section. And that's all you need. Just confirm your number purchase and it's instantly active for testing or live use. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you next time.